Ma Cherie, darling, darling, I'm on my way. Get ready, here I come. Hi, my darlings. I'm excited. We're going shopping to surprise you with a treat for fall and autumn. So this is my little shopping outfit, and I am a chic scarecrow. My little bolero jacket and hat came from Rainbow. This top came from my friend Eva. These pants came from Style Plus, the consignment store. But I have custom made high tops, Bentley, with my last name on them that are so comfortable. And this came from Paris. So bracelets from the consignment store. And these are a beautiful gift from Ma Cherie to me. My cute little side bag. This is from Andre Bundel. Birthday present from Ma Cherie a couple of years ago. So I finally get to wear it today. Here we go. On with the show. Come with us now. Here we go. They don't carry the same products every week, every day, all the time. Once it's gone, it's gone. So we're going to discover a new way of shopping and have fun doing it. So let's go. Come shopping with us and see what we can discover. And you need a quarter, which I have, to pay for a shopping cart. And we have to bring in our own bag. That's how they keep the prices down. P.S. I'm going to try not to eat along the way. Can't wait. Here we go. On with the show. Wow. 3 snack packs together for $2.69. It's a really good buy, and it's really healthy for you. Immediately. Pork egg rolls. Hello. I'm sorry I can't eat you, but you're not good to me.
Just apologize to egg rolls.
I did.
I'm going to pick up these perfect pairing red and green grapes for our charcuterie board.
Oh, caramel dip.
Just eat it.
I told you. Don't trust me.
Guys, look what I found for only $4.89. I think this cheese tray is wonderful, and it saves time because the cheese is already sliced. We're going to use this for our charcuterie. Let's get this one because it goes better into small slices.
Oh, this much? Yeah, I didn't see that. Yes. Perfection. Love it.
So on our charcuterie board, we're going to go with a honey ham and also a honey turkey breast, or the oven classic turkey breast. So these two will be great additions to our charcuterie. Spanish manzanilla olives, pimento stuffed, and these Kalamata olives.
Fabulous. You know, I'm married to a 2 Texan. I've got to buy the barbecue
Does
sauce.
anyone care for pickled okra?
See? It's adorable. Isn't that adorable? That'd be cute on our charcuterie board.
From ALDI, we picked up these lovely manzanilla olives and these calamatas. So I'm going to put those in these 2 cups. Then we also have these cornichons from Trader Joe's. We got this wonderful ALDI combination pack of hot ham trio, hot ham, pepperoni, provolone cheese, this wonderful mozzarella cheese, multi-cheese pack tray, which has extra sharp white cheddar, Havarti, Gouda, and Asiago. We have these lovely crackers that are raisin, rosemary, pumpkin, artisan crisps, our delicious chocolate pumpkins, and Belgian chocolate apples. So these are some yummy blackberries that are in season. These delicious Nature Sweet Divine snacking tomatoes, some yummy grapes, red and green both, so it's very colorful.
And seedless.
Finally, we have milk chocolate almonds. So we're going to put this board together. This is a recipe that we are creating ourselves.
Oh, I love that. A Style Savvy original mocktail, depending if you would like to drink or like to just have something cool and refreshing.
We're going to do one as a cocktail and one as a mocktail.
So I love it. I love it.
We are going to, this is just what we had available to us, honestly.
So don't think you have to run out and buy everything. Shop your own bar.
Shop your own pantry.
Yeah.
absolutely. So I already had this sparkling cranberry apple or apple cranberry. I'm not sure. There you go. In the pantry. This is Martinelli's, which is fun for all kinds of
And I always like to have
occasions.
interesting ice cubes because it makes the cocktail or mocktail look pretty. Listen to that noise, one of my favorite noises ever. Clink. Ah, this gig doesn't play out. I can be a bartender.
Okay, so let's start. I think we're just going to go for it. Like just
Yes, like at least half,
like
don't you
half?
think?
Yeah, half.
At least half for both.
For both. Let's do that.
Let's do half for both.
So here's
Tanqueray, our way to happiness today.
And our little.
So as a bartender, don't you pour? Yes, that's good.
Go ahead.
Yep. I always put the jigger over the glass in case it spills. It spills right into the glass.
Brilliant.
You know what this calls for? A chocolate. I'll be right back.
Oh. I did it. Yes. Okay. Now we'll see. All right. First of all, let's ice down these cocktails a little more. Put just a little bit more ice. Fabulous. And then I'm just guessing like maybe half. This is a very thick, cidery, yummy syrup. So maybe just that much. No more than that. Okay. Looking good.
Think about the occasion, what it is, and who's going to drink it, what do they like. And in our occasion, we like to stay true to the season.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think about fall and autumn? You think about orange slices, and you think about cinnamon, right?
Apple cranberry.
And the wonderful
cider syrup that we finally got the top out of.
Right. So we just shopped around, but used our imagination to find the stuff that would be beholden to the season itself.
Yes, correct. So what we're going to do is now take a couple of cinnamon sticks for garnish.
Oh, and stir.
I'm just going to stir that around. Yes.
Okay.
And then we'll also garnish with
garnishing.
Orange
I love garnishing.
slice.
I think garnishing
it makes it.
It does. It makes it so special.
So you could just tear it and put it on the side like that.
Yes, I love that.
Which is beautiful. Mm-hmm. And this is also very delicious to eat, if I do say so myself. If you like orange, these are yummy. They're a candied orange. So, okay, let's trade cocktails because I'm driving.
Okay.
You want to be safe.
To Style Savvy and all the darlings out there that are our supporters and subscribers, here's to you.
Cheers, darlings.
Cheers, darlings.
Just right. Delicious.
Good. It is so delicious.
Delicious.
I think I'll have one more sip.
Mm-hmm. The gin goes well with the apple cranberry?
Yeah, you can hardly taste the gin. That's what I like it when
Me too. Perfect.
Nothing is upstaging any flavor. It's well blended.
Right. And this one,
look at how wonderful to stir it with the cinnamon.
And it tastes, the apple cider balances out the tartness of the apple cranberry. So it's just perfect.
Don't hate us because we're fabulous.
Cheers, darling.
Just be fabulous with us. Tell us, viewers, look at these little apples. They're all chocolate. And how adorable is that to add to compliment? It's so precious.
So precious.
Yes. And see, we have textures and colors and flavors and, color. Everything just, tastes good, but when it looks good, you get that double excitement of wanting to have a little bit of everything. Some olives, darling. And of course, some chocolates. All right, happy fall.
Happy fall. Cheers.